Here at Superfly, we're in the business of freedom. So if you're trapped in a fine Italian, pinstriped prison, we want to help you break those legs free into an ocean of denim, Monday through Friday, baby. Or maybe you're already living the dream and you change from your sleep sweats to your work sweats every day at 10 a.m. Either way, we're making your life better by helping you build beautiful websites fast. We're cutting all the crap you don't need and giving you all the goodness that's going to have you building websites faster than Ricky Bobby 9 energy drinks deep. Monthly membership gives you access to our Wireframe Kit, super themes, and our badass drag and drop builder. We've got everything you need to build websites fast, efficient, and beautiful. It's really as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, use the Wireframe Kit with 100 plus sections to map out the site. Choose one of our 3 super themes with corresponding sections and easily swap out content and graphics with the drag and drop builder.
2, 1.
Then, launch party! Talk about a win-win, websites that save you time and have clients saying, hell yeah. Faster websites equals more time for what matters. Smells like freedom. So what are you waiting for? You're Superfly now. Act like it.